a way of life, a way of expressing enjoyment and happiness and contentment that comes.
It's the way we pass our time.
Dairy people.
Fun time.
Yeah, a party. Music is everything. Music is a language.
Music means emotions, and you can say a lot of things with music.
Music is my life, but it's not my livelihood. It makes me feel so happy, and it makes me feel so good.
Music is just massively important to me. I think it is for a lot of people in the city.
Smiles and beer.
Yeah.
It's everything. It's the atmosphere. It's the vibe that gets everybody going.
Music means a lot of things to me. Inspirational.
Music means a lot to me. It's my lifeblood from way back 250 years in my family.
It's a reflection of people's coming together, of emotions, of what's happening in society.
Music is the breath of energy and communication that, you know, you get all things on and you put it out, and music's a great way of doing that.
Music speaks to the soul, speaks to the heart.
Yes. We love music. We love traditional Irish music. And
it's inspiration.
Music is my first love and it will be my last.